I'm going to be talking about the modifications of the stem. The stem is modified to do many things. In potatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic, the stem is modified to store food. In the rose plant, the stem is modified to have thorns, so it protects it from animals. In the cactus plant, the stem is modified to store water. In plants such as peas, gourd, and the grapevine, the stem is modified to have tendrils. Because the plant is weak, the tendrils grab onto anything nearby and holds it steady.
Tell about stem modification. The stem. A shoot stem of a plant consists of the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. It is green or woody and usually grows upright towards sunlight. Functions of stem. It supports the leaf, branches, flowers, and fruits of the plant. It carries water and nutrients from the root to every part of the plant. It carries food made by the leaves to other parts of a plant. Modification of stem. A stem of some plants are modified to perform additional functions. In plants such as potato, ginger, turmeric, the stem is modified to store food. The stem grows underground in these plants. In deserts such as cactus, the stems are fleshy and swollen as they store water. In the green stem of deserts, plants such as cactus make food through photosynthesis as the herb leaves are reduced to spines. The stem of a plant such as a rose and bougainvillea grows thorns to protect them from being eaten by animals.
I am going to tell about stems. Stems carries nutrients and water from the root to the other parts of the plants. It carries food made by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Modification of the stem. The stem is modified to store food. The stem grows underground in these plants. Plants such as potato, onion, ginger, garlic.
I am going to talk about the modifications of the stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. The stem carries food for all parts of the plant. Modifications of the stem. Onion, ginger, garlic, potato store food on them. Deserts such as cactus store water. The green stems of the desert plants such as cactus make food through photosynthesis as their leaves are reduced to spines.
I'm going to tell about root system. This is the bulb and garlic. This is also bulb. This onion. This is root and potato.